Hello friends, welcome once again. I am Rushiraj and today we are going to see details about recursion. What mean by recursion? It is nothing but a self method calling process is known as a recursion. In that there are two types, direct recursion and direct recursion process and indirect recursion. In that when you use any condition and that when condition becomes true then method will calls once again, then it's known as a indirect condition. And direct means you directly mentioned the calling function of method, particular method, that's called a direct recursion. Why we need recursion and what are the advantages and disadvantages of recursion, let's discuss. In recursion the program will be become compact, but along with the compactness it will become much more complicated. How? Because when you call one method from main method, then that one method is called to another method, that another method called to another method. This loop continues itself according to our situation. These situations becomes much more complicated to. And we use recursion as a solution of loops. For example, in the biggest advantage of any loop is loop has a, when loop condition is become false, becomes true, then loop will again assign to the first starting of the loop. Because of this process we the flexibility of that loop or program will be compacted or compensated. For that we use recursion. Let's consider in one single method you perform particular task, only half task, and then calls another method. In that method you perform another half task, and this task divided methodology is only possible in recursion. That is the biggest advantage of recursion. As well as in recursion, when you use self indirect recursion method, then after the loop completion or indirect recursion process, if you use any return output, then it will show double, it will give double output. Means if you use a common method and use instance variable, then you use to print m1 and you applied the loop. If method 1 is m1 is less than 4, then it will true. Then 4 times it will run 1 2 3 4, and then again it run 4 times, because flag is setted in recursion stack of the recursion. Because of, and recursion always work in the stack basis, means first come last out, last come first out. That's all about recursion. Thank you.